today's lecture we are going to discuss about how to take the complete web page screenshot by using Ruby Cucumber and Watir WebDriver. It is very simple. What you are supposed to do is you just need to install few gems and an ImageMagick software at your machine. So I'll tell you which are all gem file need to be installed. The first one is ImageMagick. The second one is Magic, and the third one is watir-screenshot-stitch. These three gem files need to be installed at your machine. Other than this, you need to install the ImageMagick application at your machine. So this is the site from where you can download the ImageMagick at your machine. Here you will get the setup for Linux, OS and Windows platform. So as per your machine, you can download it. Mine is a MacBook, so I'm going to install by using Brew package manager. If you don't know how to use the Brew package managers, I have already make a video for it, so you can refer from there. So I just need to run two commands called brew install imagemagick and brew install ghostscript. So that is going to install the imagemagick at my machine. So since it has been already installed and the dependent gem also installed at your my machine, so I'll directly go ahead and I'll show you how to capture the complete web page screenshot. So I just need to open my terminal. I'm going in IRB mode. As I told, I'm using the programming language called Ruby, and the WebDriver we are referring is Watir. I'm going to include this Watir screenshot gem file. After that, I'm going to set the path of where I want to shape the screenshot. I have already wrote this. So this is the path where I'm going to save my screenshot, and the image name I have given is fullpage.png. I'll show you my path. So you can see at the moment I don't have anything with the name fullpage.png. Okay, so here we are going to set the height of the page. So we have kept the maximum size is 5000. It's an optional whether you if you feel you want to give it, otherwise without this also it's gonna work. It's an optional parameter. After this, I am just going to create the object of Watir browser and going to launch the Chrome browser at my machine. See, the browser has been launched. Next step is I'm just going to launch the site. Just waiting for the site to be loaded. It has launched completely. Now I'm going to take the complete screenshot. So we are using the screenshot method. Under that we are using save_stitch method, which is taking two parameter. The first one is the path of the image where you wants to save the image along with its name, and the second one is the optional parameter. As I told, here we are passing the maximum height limit is 5000. That is again optional whether you wants to pass or not. Only one parameter is mandatory, that is the image name. So see, it has taken the complete web page screenshot. We'll see how it comes. See, it has been done. Now we are just going to validate whether it came or not. Yes, it came. You see how good it is coming. So this is the complete web page screenshot. If I compare with the site, you can see it. Let me place like this so that you can see how properly it has taken the complete web page screenshot. Hope you find it easy and useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.